How to show hidden password behind asterisks on Chrome. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you how you can see it. So let's get started. For that, open up the Chrome application first into your device and use your Google account. For example, just go ahead and open it up like this, and from the given interface, look for the three dot at the top right corner, tap on it, and a menu appears. From the given menu, select the option of settings and then open it up. Now from settings, what you can do is you can directly scroll down and look for passwords and autofill section, and look for the option of Google Password Manager and open it up. And then once you open up Google Password Manager, here it will show you all of the saved password of your account on Chrome. So look for one of them, for example, Amazon.com, tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you need to use your phone security first, if there is any, and you will be reaching to the section with your email address that you used and a password right below it. So in order to view it, right beside the password, we should be finding an eye icon. All you gotta do is simply tap on that eye icon and it will view your password right there. And that is it. You may follow the similar process for other as well, or the saved password, and once that is done, that should do it. So you may also follow the same process. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will see you in another video.